Hello friends, welcome to the video. Myself Ripple Gole from LJ Polytechnic Automobile Department. Today I am going to talk about general consideration while designing a machine component. There are total 12 considerations. Let's understand it. The first is standard parts. One should always consider standard parts in designing the machine component. Standard parts comes with the basic information, rules and regulations. So based on the needs, requirements, working condition, this type of parts can be easily used in the design without modification. Also, in regular maintenance, servicing of the machine or repairing of the machine in case of breakdown, if standard parts are used, the replacement of the part will be easy because standard parts are easily available. The second is safety. Design must be safe. Safe for the person working on it, safe for the environment, safe when it encounters accident, safe when it malfunctions. So basically, safety is one of the most important concerns to be focused on while designing. Government also have the safety rules and regulations for working individuals, which must be followed and which must be kept in mind while designing. Third consideration is workshop facilities. Workshop facilities is one of the most important considerations. Suppose one have the casting facility in his workshop but does not have the forging facility. If designer designs the machine component which is manufactured by forging only, that design will be of no use. That's why available workshop facilities must be considered while designing the machine component. Fourth consideration is number of components. The number of components to be manufactured is also an important consideration. This will definitely affect the design procedure. Let's understand how. If the number of components to be manufactured are very high, designer will approach a new design strategy in which, starting from scratch, designer will develop a totally new idea based on the lots of research, lots of data, creative thinking and his technical ability. But if the number of components to be manufactured are low, a new design approach will not be a feasible option. In that case, designer can approach adaptive design or developmental design strategy in which already existing design is adapted and modified according to the requirements. The fifth is cost of construction. The design should also focus on its cost of construction, because if its cost of construction crosses its predefined economic value, eventually the price of the final product will get increased. A design with high cost of construction will not be considered a successful design when competitors are ready with low cost and good quality product. That is why cost of construction must be considered. The sixth is assembling. After production of machine component, the second important stage is assembly. Design of a machine components must facilitate the final assembly procedure. So machine component must be designed in such a way that assembly of all the components becomes easy. This is how assembling is the important consideration while designing. Seventh consideration is types of load and stresses. Because of weight of the machine, inertia due to moving parts, power transmissions, temperature, friction, machine component faces various types of loads and stresses in working condition and also in steady condition. All these loads and stresses must be considered while designing the machine component. The amount of loads and stresses and the direction of application of loads and stresses are very important when machine is in operation. Even when machine is not working, The self weight of the machine causes various stresses in machine component. So types of load and stresses must be considered while designing a machine component. The eighth consideration is motion of the parts. Various types of motions are available, like rectilinear motion, in which unidirectional and reciprocating motions are there. Then curvilinear motion, in which rotary, oscillatory and simple harmonic motions are there. Constant velocity, constant and variable acceleration. So as per the mechanism, the motion is determined. Motion of the parts are very important, because based on the motion, various important factors like balancing, lubrication, direction of loads, etc. are determined. So while designing, motion of the parts is important consideration. The ninth consideration is selection of material. Material selection is very important part of the designing procedure. Various factors like availability of the material, suitability of the material for working condition in service, cost of material, manufacturing consideration and material properties have to be considered in design. Keeping in mind all the factors I said, the most suitable material should be selected. The 10th is form and size of the parts. It is normally based on the judgment. It is based on the forces which applied on that particular part. While designing, form and size of machine components and also overall form and size of the machine must be considered. The 11th consideration is resistance and lubrication. In a machine where relative motion happens between two mating parts or parts which are in contact of each other, frictional resistance is generated. There is always loss of power due to this frictional resistance. So to reduce this frictional resistance, there must be an efficient lubrication system. That is why resistance and lubrication is one of the most important consideration in designing a machine component. The 12th and the last consideration while designing is economical features. The design must try to include various features which are available only in high cost products. To make final product more competitive, various features should be included while designing a machine component, keeping final product or keeping final price of the product as low as possible. So the economical feature is also a factor which should be kept in mind while designing a machine component. These were the 12 basic considerations for designing a machine component. That's all about this video. If you like the video, please press like button and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.